In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Apple Gift Card. Let's get started with the process. First, we need to open the App Store. This is your gateway to accessing all that Apple offers. Whether you're on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, simply tap or click on the App Store icon. It's that blue icon with a white A on your home screen or dock. Now, once you have the App Store open, it's crucial to check your gift card balance. This step ensures you know exactly how much you have available to spend. To do this, navigate to your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Once there, you will see your account details. Next up, you'll need to enter your gift card PIN. Your gift card should have a PIN hidden under a scratch-off panel on the back. Carefully scratch off this panel to reveal the numbers. Enter this PIN into the designated field on the App Store. This is important because it verifies the card's authenticity and adds the value to your account. Click Check Balance once you've entered the PIN. This will show you the available funds on your card. Seeing this balance gives you the confidence to know what you can afford. You'll see your balance updated right there on the screen. With your balance confirmed, it's time to open the Apple service you want to use. This could be anything from the App Store, Apple Music, or even the Apple TV app. Choose the service that aligns with what you intend to purchase, whether it's an app, a game, a subscription, a movie, or music. After selecting the service, it's time to pick the specific item you want. Browse through the offerings and make your selection. For example, if you're in the App Store, you might select an app or game. If you're in Apple Music, you might choose a song or album. Remember, the variety here is vast, so take your time to choose wisely. Go to checkout when you're ready to purchase. This is where all the action happens. If you haven't signed into your Apple account yet, you may be prompted to do so. Use your Apple ID and password to sign in. This step is vital because it not only verifies your identity, but also ensures that the purchase is tied to your account. Once signed in, make sure to select Apple Account Balance as your payment method. It's essential to choose this option to utilize the funds from your gift card. This little step saves you from any unwanted charges on a credit card. Carefully review the purchase details before proceeding. This is your chance to double-check the item, the price, and any other relevant information. Ensuring everything is correct gives you peace of mind. Now tap Buy, Subscribe, or Place Order depending on what you're purchasing. This action is the final commitment to your purchase. Finally, wait for the payment confirmation. You will see a confirmation appear on your screen, letting you know that the transaction was successful. This makes sure your purchase is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully paid with an Apple gift card. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.